Getting your first 100 subscribers on YouTube can never feel impossible. You post videos, you put in effort, but barely anyone watches. And honestly, this is the stage where most creators quit. But here is the truth. Your first 100 subscribers are not about luck. They are about strategy. So in this video, I will show you how I would get my first 100 subscribers fast if I had to start a brand new YouTube channel. One major reason small creators struggle is because their content is all over the place. One day it's comedy, the next day is love, then vlog. People subscribe when they know what to expect from your channel, okay? So before chasing subscribers, build clarity. Ask yourself, what type of audience do I want? What problem do I solve? Why should someone come back and watch my videos? Your channel needs identity because confused channels rarely grow. Make videos people are searching for. If nobody knows you yet, YouTube is searching your best friend, okay? Don't start with videos like my day or Q&A about me. Nobody searches for creators they don't know. Instead, create searchable content. For example, how to edit videos on phone, 5 mistakes small YouTubers make, or how to grow on YouTube with no money. These types of videos give strangers the reason to discover you. Your first audience usually comes from solving problems. Your thumbnail matters more than you think. Many small YouTubers spend hours editing videos, but only 5 minutes designing thumbnails. That's backwards. So your thumbnail is what gets the click, alright? And without clicks, even great videos stay invisible. Guess what you should do instead? Use bold text. Keep the design clean, show emotion, avoid too many elements. Make the title and thumbnail work together, okay? Think of your thumbnail like a movie poster. Just imagine how it is with a movie poster. It should make people feel curious already and also instantly. Use shorts to attract attention. If I wanted my first 100 subscribers quickly, I would definitely use YouTube Shorts. And this is the reason why I'm saying this, because Shorts can push your content to people who have never heard of you before. But don't just post random clips. Make shorts that teach quickly, entertain fast, create curiosity, and always connect them to your main content or your main long form videos, okay? Short form content gets attention, then long form content builds loyal subscribers. So from your short content, they will come to your long form content. Now, this is one of the most important things in this step 5. Talk like a human, not a robot. A lot of new creators sound too formal or too scripted. People connect with personality more than perfection. Don't try too hard to sound like a celebrity YouTuber. Speak naturally. Speak like you are talking to one person. That human connection matters because viewers subscribe to creators they feel comfortable watching repeatedly. Okay, let me give you an instance now. I'm standing in a room. This is a curtain. This is me. This is the wall. I'm being real. I don't need to put up all the fancy things around me for people to know that I am creating the content. All what I'm trying to do is to give you value, to give you what I feel will be very okay for you. So try to speak naturally with your audience because so that they will feel that connection between you and them. Avoid being too perfect or trying to make sure that you can speak or, it doesn't matter. Just give people value. Let them feel the connection. Connect with your audience. Don't be too afraid to promote your videos. Well, many small creators post videos and then they just disappear, alright? Then they hope that the algorithm will do everything for them. It doesn't happen that way. I've done that with one of my videos before and I will tell you that it wasn't funny. If I have 0 subscribers, I will promote my videos smartly. Share clips on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, even on your WhatsApp status as well. Actually, not by spamming links, okay, but by sharing value and creating curiosity. Sometimes your first audience comes from outside YouTube. If you post on your status, some person can also like, okay, I love this video I posted. They can come in. I want to avoid telling you stories so that you won't waste your time watching me for a very long time. Stay consistent long enough to be found. Most creators quit too early. That's the real problem. Your first videos may get 10 views, 20 views, 5 views, 3 views. even one view, or not even a view at all, but every upload teaches you something. YouTube rewards creators who keep improving. Your first 100 subscribers are usually the hardest, okay? But once momentum starts, growth becomes easier. I will tell you that when I started my channel, one of my channel, I started with 0 subscribers, and then I went into 500 subscriber to 1,000 subscriber, and from that 1,000 subscriber, I discovered that YouTube started pushing my videos, and over time, I started growing without even posting a video. Sometimes I come online and then I started seeing that I'm having lots of subscribers, up to about 2,000 plus subscribers, and other channel is growing as well. So just stay consistent and keep posting. It doesn't matter. So long as you are consistent in what you are doing, YouTube is going to reward you. They're going to promote your video. God will favor you. Just stay consistent. Just remember that every successful YouTuber that you know today, Mr. Beast and the likes of others, they started with 0 subscribers too, and you can do it. So if this video helped you, subscribe to StarTube for more honest YouTube tips and conversation. So can I see you putting down your comment in the comment section about one of the difficulties you are facing or you face building a loyal subscriber? Thank you for watching. My name is Boniface. See you in the next video. Bye for now.